Hello dear students, let us learn how to play Sudoku. I created this video for absolute beginners. It covers the very basics of Sudoku, the puzzle setup and the rules. This is going to help you. It's not only the numbers that we can fill in the Sudoku, but we can even use other shapes or symbols for playing it. So let us learn how to play. This puzzle may use shapes instead of numbers. It may also use some animals instead of numbers symbolically. You can use any 9 symbols. Got it? But the numbers 1 to 9 are convenient and easy to recognize. That's why we use them. So Sudoku doesn't have anything to do with maths except using numbers to fill in. But it does use logic, which happens to be a branch of mathematics. We are not interested in doing calculations. We are interested in working out the logic behind the digits with which they need to be filled in the grid to solve the puzzle. Let us learn about Sudoku terminology. To get started, there are many different types of Sudoku puzzle, but the most standard form looks like this: a 9 by 9 grid having 9 rows and 9 columns. At the intersection of each row and each column, there is a square called a cell. As it is a 9 by 9 grid, there are 81 cells. We need a way to solve it. Let us move through rows, label them as letters A to J. And for columns, we may use numbers 1 to 9 for labeling them. Each 9 by 9 grid is broken down into a smaller group of cells, that is 3 by 3. Means it has 3 rows and 3 columns. You can see it with a red boundary here. 3 by 3 makes up for 9 cells. An area like this is called a block. Some people call this a box or a region too. When we look at entire 9 by 9 grid, we see it is made up of 9 such 3 by 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these 9 blocks are labeled here. Each block is made up of 9 cells. We can look for 3 groups of 3 blocks by looking across the rows 1, 2 and 3. These are 3 sets of horizontal blocks known as rank: top rank, middle rank, bottom rank. We can also take this same 9 by 9 grid into 3 vertical groups 1 to 3, and this set of vertical blocks is known as stack: left stack, center stack and right stack. To review, a 9 by 9 Sudoku has 3 sets of horizontal blocks called as rank: top rank, middle rank, bottom rank. It has 3 sets of vertical blocks known as stacks: left stack, middle stack, right stack. The idea behind Sudoku is to fill in the numbers 1 to 9 in each row, each column and each block. Use all the numbers 1 to 9 without repeating a number. Yes, this is the condition. No number should be repeated. So how do we play Sudoku? It is to make sure that each row, each column and each block have a 1 to 9 number without repetition. Here is an almost solved puzzle. Let us try to solve it. Just one cell remaining to solve here. So we can go for the digit which is unfilled here by looking through row. This row is completely filled in, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All digits are here from 1 to 9. While moving through a row, we can again see here it is completely filled in. This block is missing one number. So how can we get this number? Let us find. When we move across a row and a column and the block which includes this missing number, we may easily go through these and learn which one is missing. So here it is 8. This is the missing number. Now every row has all the 9 digits 1 to 9. See.